Hello! Hello everybody! Welcome back. O baka ako yung kailangan ng welcome back. Anyway. We are currently in Katmon campsite. This is the camping site. This is located in...
Variegated?
Oh, talaga. This is located in Cavinti, Laguna. And this place is a gem, yo. It's not crowded. That's the first thing that you will notice, because they only take bookings, advance bookings to be exact.
One day booking.
Yeah. This is a spur of the moment thing actually. Tapos this same day, parang hindi pa kami matutuloy because earlier this morning we were thinking if we should proceed to go here despite the rain, because it rained so hard. You can imagine it's May and then puro init lang, and then all of a sudden nagpakita tong napakalakas na rains nung umaga. So nagdadalawang isip kami, ano ba, pupunta ba o hindi. So nanalo ang aking asawa at kami ay nag-proceed. Napaka saya ko rin naman na natuloy kami sa aming lakad dahil napakaganda ng lugar. Kung hindi siguro kami natuloy, baka nagsisi ako. Ganun siya kaganda, no? Pero ito ang aming view. Siyempre ito yung asawa ko na masarap.
I'm the best view
Ayun pala
here.
yun. Yung camp, ito yung ang tawag dito, tent namin. Tapos ito naman yung view namin. Ewan ko na lang, guys. Baka naman, ayan ang aming aso na si Jablo, na super friendly sa mga kapitbahay namin. Dito nakapark ang aming sasakyan. At ito ang aming view. Actually, sa likod ng clouds na yan ay mayroong mountain. And sabi ng asawa ko, Banahaw. Mount Banahaw daw ang natatakpan ng mga clouds na yan ngayon. But this is our view. This is anong lake nga ito? Lumot Lake. No, this is Lumot Lake. This is Lumot Lake. And apparently Lumot Lake is different from Caliraya Lake. So magkalapit lang sila. But this is our dog. Nakikita niya may mga taong nagsasaya dun sa likod namin, kaya siguro nainggit siya. But this guy has been very friendly, very behaved, well-behaved dog. And I cannot ask for more. Ano bang ginagawa naman yun? It's around 5 and my husband started cooking na. Rice.
I'ma start doing barbecues later.
Talaga ba?
It's nice to have barbecue when it's nighttime.
Camping. Okay. Pag nighttime lang.
Nighttime. Very, very good.
Ito nag-rent kami ng isang kubo. Ang rent nito ay 500 per night. Ito yung small kubo nila. And it's overlooking the Lumot Lake. And then we have some friends over there enjoying their time. Sa likod, I don't know if you can see, there's a hill. And then there's a really big tree. Dapat supposed to be when we came in, that was reserved for us because I was hesitant to take the kubo. And then ayun, yung hill na yan. Tapos may swings dyan. Tapos meron pang ibang mga campers dun sa ibang part ng lake or like ng land. What else? So far so good. In comparison to the first campsite that we've been to, this one is laid back. Ayan na po ang mga pangyayari papuntang Lake Mapanuepe, mga kaibigan. Unfortunately, ang aming isang kaibigang tropa ay nasiraan ng bumper ba yan ang tawag sa harap? Bumper sa harap ng first crossing namin ng river.
Ano, uwi na tayo? Alanganin na? Okay na.
Okay na.
Tayo, balik na. Balik na. Balik na. Ikot na. U-turn.
Patay.
Balik na.
GGs. GG's. Good luck po. It's less stressful and we can really just de-stress and take our time and not be stressed about the traffic, nor the long way home, nor the everything else. So far this is relaxing. That's the better term. We're relaxed. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko? Wala na akong sasabihin. Bye. So, papakita ko lang yung setup namin. Kala mo may setup. We're using the, ano nga yung pangalan ng tent natin, love? Cloud Vessel, Nature High Cloud Vessel Tent. Meron pa bang ibang pangalan nun? Cloud Vessel Fast Tunnel Tent. So, that's what we're using. Small things, you know. I added this because alam ko we were gonna take a bath and take a shower. So, I bought this from, this is a, ano ba to? Alam mo yung sabitan ng kung ano-ano. This is a sabitan from Daiso that I bought. So, I used it as a, imbes na mga carabiners yung nakalagay dito, ginamit ko siyang parang sampayan. Kasi alam ko, you were gonna take a shower and I don't want my towels to get wet. Or at least to dry. So, ito yung, wait, follow na lang tayo, okay? So, ito yung labas. Well, this Cloud Vessel tent has a lot of doors or entrance and exits. So, this is one of them. Ito yung, this is the exit. exit, one door going there. This is the heel, and then the other is right here. Ito naman yung isa. Okay. Tapos outside, ayan yung view namin. Our view is the lake. Tapos sa isang exit, I put these ang tawag dito, fairy lights, I think that's what you call them. And then I bought those lamps online as well on Shopee. By the way, these lamps are one of the best lamps ever. I think ang tagal ng life ng battery life nila. Tapos ito yung aming bed room. Meron kaming, this is our, ano ang tawag dito, lalagyan ng coil ng Baygon, katol. Tapos sa loob, meron kaming air mattress na queen size, 3 pillows and then 1 long pillow. And then dyan matutulog ako at saka of course si Jablo, and then our things are inside as well. Underneath is a nature hike floor mat. I don't know if yun ang tamang term, but yeah, wala masyadong nandito. Pero sa labas, normally we'd set up the kitchen here as well, like right here, but just because we rented a small kubo, so we opted to set up our kitchen right there. This is a set of pans I bought on Shopee. I think they're around 560 pesos. And then this is a gas light.
From Lamban.
Gas light, what do you call this? Stove. And then this is a nature hike wind shield. I don't know. Wind something. And then underneath, by the way, this is the camping moon. It's 2 trays and 1 wooden board. Tapos nandyan lang lahat ng gamit ko pag magluluto.
Okay ba?
Tapos we have 2 nature hike chairs. One for my husband and one for me. And then this is our, what do you call that? Nature hike.
Nature hike. Egg roll.
Table. And then we have the Jisoo Life fan. Ano yun rotating. Tapos naitataas din yung fan. Tapos, yeah, it's rechargeable. Pero I won't recommend that because I did not like it. It's so pangit. Wait. These are like, ang tawag dito, lights from Daiso as well. Paano nga siya kasama? Ano siya, binubuksan lang siya tapos magkakailaw ka na. Tiyanin. Tapos may fan pa siya. Marirecommend ko ba siya? Hindi. Battery powered siya, mabilis mo tanggal. mabilis siya malobat. And then dalawa niyan meron kami. And then we have the Black Dog trolley, which I didn't know it was gonna serve its purpose, but it did. So kay Jablo pa lang. Jablo. Because we have Orocan and something we bought from Shopee. This is Jablo's tent for himself. It's not a tent, but it's a portable dog house. And that's it. That's pretty much it. Look. May boat. There's the boat. Jack, there's a boat.